Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram account. So in case you get bored or you don't want to play or active in your Instagram anymore, it's very easy, you can do it. So let's get started by open your Instagram and jump into your profile and then jump to the three stripe at the top of your screen, and this is the setting and activity. So jump into the first option here, your account, the account center. Scroll down and jump into the personal details. Here, you can tap the account ownership and control. You can tap this deactivation or deletion. Temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account and profile. This one. So choose your account. So there are two options here, deactive account or delete account. So if you want to delete, just tap this. So when you delete your Instagram account, your profile photo, video, comment, likes and followers will be permanently removed. If you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account, the first option here. So it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactive through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. So please choose what you need. Please be wise. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.